Hi everyone, I'm Scott from Sharky's Greenhouses and Beat Your Neighbor Fertilizer, and I just want to showcase this beautiful little combination planter. And this is from a video that we had done before, and we pulled these out because they were getting absolutely snuffed out by more aggressive flowers. And so what we decided to do is go in and individually pull these out because they just weren't doing anything. And we planted them up in this 12-inch container. They turned out gorgeous. Look how beautiful this is. And they're perfectly paired together because what we have here are 3 wax begonias and 2 of the Bracteanthas. And that is the long name for straw flower. So it's just straw flower, and they're perfectly paired up because they're drought resistant and they're very easy to care for. So if you're looking for a planter that looks really nice but easy to care for, this would be a great combination. Straw flower, wax begonias. And this is the bronze leaf version of the wax begonia. I love how that really highlights with the yellow, the white, the yellow, and then this bronze leaf. That's really cool. So let's talk a little bit about the straw flower. It is drought resistant, as I said, and when you kind of crunch on it, it's not soft. It's like straw. It's got a little crispness to it, and guess what? The deer don't like that. They come along to munch on that, and it's not something that they like, so they just leave it alone. So straw flower is deer resistant. It's also drought resistant, and you can also take cut flowers, so you can go through and you can cut this and you can put them in vases, and you don't even need to put water. They'll just dry down like a dried flower. They'll keep that color and their form, and they make just a nice little cut flower. You can do little vases with them. For watering, you don't want to overwater them. So again, drought resistant, so do not overwater it. Wax begonias like sun or shade. It doesn't matter, so they're not fussy when it comes to that, but this is a great sun-loving container. And you can see how it filled out, and I mean, it just looks fantastic. Now, you might need to do a little bit of deadheading on the straw flowers, and when they're done, it takes a long time, but when they're done, you can just go through and nip that off and just toss it. So that's all you really need to do. So easy to care for. I know a lot of you are gonna love an easy care planter, so this is it. Wax begonias, straw flowers, you can't go wrong. Hey, if you're liking our videos, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have hundreds of how-to videos. And then hop on over to our beatyourneighbor.com website. We have tips and tricks and lots of blog articles, and of course our Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That's all over at beatyourneighbor.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.